Today we're doing spinach namul. You've probably seen this as a topping on your bibimbap, but it's very good to make in like a small batch. And whenever you're out of like veggie ideas and you've just been eating too much meat, pull this out of the refrigerator, then pair it with some fresh hot rice, and it's delicious. And best of all, it stores in the refrigerator for like a week. So just make it, throw it in there, and do no thinking regarding your meals throughout the week. That way you can focus on more important things. You gotta save the world, you know? So here we go. Today we're going to do 2 large handfuls, so grab as much spinach as you can in one hand, soak them in water, and then I would like to go through the middle one by one. That's good. We'll just cut off the nub that's protruding out. Right, the base is still intact, and then you can just slightly cut in the middle like that, and then do it one more time. All right. This is just an option, and the reason is that wonderful chewing texture. So this is a little bit crunchy and people like that texture. You can do it this way, or if that's too much work, simply live life according to your own terms. Boom, they're free. Of course, if you're using bagged spinach, all of them would look like this, so no worries. After going through this, my hands feel a little bit like sandy, which means there's still dirt. So I'm gonna give them one more soak. Bring this up to a boil, and then we're going to put a teaspoon of salt. And the salt is going to help those leaves stay dark green as they blanch. And normally we're going to garnish with sesame seeds, but if we crush that up, it's amazing. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, I have another way. A little bit of sesame seeds. Grab a soup ladle, like a pencil. And when the sesame seeds are crushed, it's even more fragrant, and I think it adds a nice touch to the spinach at the end. We have a spring onion, cut it down once, come around, make a cross, put that here. We're gonna use that a little bit later, and then we're gonna mince some garlic. This is a key flavor. We're gonna need 1 teaspoon. Now, very important, use your phone and set a timer for 30 seconds. We do not want to overcook the spinach. All right, 30 seconds is up, stop, and then immediately take this over, empty it out, put them in cold water. You can also just dump this, make it cool down. Very good, and that 30 seconds went by very quick, no? If you do this, you'll know what I mean. Cooked just beautiful. All right, then here, just grab a little bit, and then with your hands, just squeeze. We want to get the water out. That way they soak in the marinade that we're gonna put in. All right, and here just give a few good squeezes. You don't need to squeeze all the water out. You should have around 4, maybe 3 large spinach bundles. Those diced spring onions, let's add in 1 tablespoon and 2. That's good. All right, guys, that was big T. We're gonna go lowercase, small t, that's teaspoon. We're gonna do 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil. That's toasted sesame oil. It's 1.5. It's good. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of minced garlic, and then a half teaspoon of salt. Go light here, make sure it's half. You can always add in a little bit more later if you need. And then give it a nice mix. And at this part, we want to mix it, but more importantly, we want to unravel the spinach pieces and then toss them into the sauce, right? Get everything. Detangle the pieces. All right, beautiful. Well, let's give it a try. Oh, it's amazing. Slightly garlicky, right amount of saltiness, that toasty sesame oil in the background. And remember previously, I said that some people like to leave that root piece on because it's crunchy. It looks like that, right? You get this whole piece if you do it like that. All right, now take a few pinches of that toasted sesame, this one you can be very generous. Tastes very nice. All right, and we'll save the rest for garnish at the end. All right, guys, there it is. I'm gonna just top it off with a little bit more sesame seeds, and there it is. Alright, guys, store the leftovers in a big Tupperware. Perfect. A little bit of sesame seeds on top as well. Alright, and that's it. Lid on. And we're done. And guys, perfect timing. The sun is setting. Let's end the show like that. Dun, 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 dun.